But you did find time to do some reading while some of this music was going on the air, and you were kind of bored, and there was a book that you were reading that got the lyrics to this last song that we're going to do in this set here.
Oh, yeah.
And tell us the backstory. This is a very important song because it's the song that Dan Barth lives for you to perform. But
well, okay, so in that same, not that same session, but a couple weeks later, I had a lot of time on my hands at this job. I recorded. It actually probably came before the Birdie recording, but I just did an a cappella thing, and I came up with this first verse of this song, and it was just big, fat. I just refound it. Actually, this morning I found a recording of it, and it's this big, fat vocal, like a quartet, like 8, but with way more than 4 people, and it became. I had the first verse, and then I got off of work at like whatever it was, midnight, and I went to the Country Kitchen in Little Falls and sat there with coffee till 3 o'clock in the morning and wrote the rest of the song because I was like, hey, I think I'm onto something here. So this became unfortunately probably the song I'll be remembered for. To the mountain with money and time. I sat by the river and I drank me some wine. I put out my pen and I sifted for gold. And with a cheer on my face as the summer grew old. That's all I had when I went to Country Kitchen. So I continued. I stayed on that mountain till the river ran dry. My pockets were empty and a tear in my eye. The wind started howling, the snifter grew cold. That's when I met the whore of Babaylon and gave her my soul. She had eyes of blue, she had lips of red, she had hair of gold, and a big old brass bed. I should have run while I could, but I stayed. What the hell? She said, I am the whore of Babaylon, but you can call me Jezebel. This all came from a Tom Robbins book that I was reading called Skinny Legs and All. Whenever the main character would walk by people from the Middle East, they would always stop and point at her and yell, Jezebel! She never figured out what. I came off that mountain, I cursed and I cursed and I swore. I asked her to spare me, but I begged her for more. My eyes are as empty as the mountain is old. 'Cause when I met the whore of Babaylon, salvation was sold. She had eyes of blue, you know it. She had lips of red, she had hair of gold. What? And a big old brass bed. I should have run while I could, but I stayed. What the hell? She said, I am the whore of Babaylon, but you can call me Jezebel. She said, I am the whore of Babaylon, but you can call me Jezebel. You can call me Jezebel. Woo!
Jeff Engholm. We're going to take a short intermission here. Get some guitar tech figured out. We'll be right back.